where I would not invest anywhere from $2,000 to $100,000 as a perpetual traveler. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that drinks tea on a glass on the internet, and I'm gonna tell you what I do with my money. When it comes to bling bling, I don't trust governments, I don't trust countries, and I don't trust people. They are all easily influenced, corrupted, manipulated by money. I don't invest in the stock market because it is easy, manipulable, and opaque. I don't invest in real estate. A war can start and your property can be affected. Taxes or laws in that country can change in a year and no longer make it a wise investment. Natural disasters, delinquency in the neighborhood, bad news can pop up at any moment and depreciate your home, your asset. And it is illiquid, is non-fungible. Therefore, I might have my funds frozen until I can sell it. And I don't invest in gold, silver, precious metals, because I depend on a third party, a bank, a safe, to store it for me. The metals reside in a country, and what if they close the borders and don't allow me or don't allow travelers to enter for some time or for a long time? They are difficult to transport, and my subconscious doesn't want to make more money because I foresee the problems that I will have with each extra kilo of gold that I have. Like, this leaves me with a clear favorite winner.